Unlocking Dropshipping Success. How Spocket can skyrocket your profits in 2023. Are you an aspiring entrepreneur seeking a fast and efficient way to launch your online business? Look no further. In this blog post, we'll explore Spocket, the ultimate platform for dropshipping success. Discover its incredible features and benefits, and learn how to build a thriving business from scratch with Spocket by your side. Get Spocket today. Spocket feature. 1. Vast product selection. Spocket boasts an extensive catalog of high-quality products from trustworthy suppliers worldwide. From trendy fashion accessories to must-have home decor items, you'll find a wide range of products to suit your target market's needs. 2. Reliable suppliers. Spocket partners with reputable suppliers who maintain high standards of product quality and fulfillment. These suppliers are carefully vetted, ensuring that you deliver exceptional products to your customers, building trust and loyalty. 3. Seamless inventory management. Say goodbye to manual inventory tracking. Spocket offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies inventory management. With real-time updates, you can effortlessly monitor stock availability and prevent overselling, guaranteeing a smooth customer experience. 4. Time-saving automation. Streamline your business operations with Spocket's automation features. From order fulfillment to shipment tracking, Spocket handles the tedious tasks, freeing up your time to focus on strategic growth and customer satisfaction. 5. Branded invoicing and packaging. Make a lasting impression on your customers with personalized invoices and branded packaging options. Spocket allows you to create a consistent and professional brand image, enhancing the overall shopping experience. Click here to get Spocket today. Benefits of choosing Spocket. 1. Higher profit margins. With Spocket, you can access products at wholesale prices, ensuring healthier profit margins for your business. The platform enables you to set your own retail prices, giving you the flexibility to maximize your earnings. 2. Global supplier network. Expand your business globally without the hassle of dealing with multiple suppliers. Spocket connects you with a vast network of international suppliers, enabling you to offer diverse products to customers worldwide. 3. Quality assurance. Deliver top-notch products to your customers with Spocket's commitment to quality. Their stringent supplier selection process ensures that you source products that meet or exceed customer expectations, leading to positive reviews and repeat business. 4. Enhanced shipping options. Spocket provides reliable and efficient shipping solutions, including fast shipping options, enabling you to offer shorter delivery times to your customers. This helps boost customer satisfaction and encourages repeat purchases. 5. Dedicated support. When you choose Spocket, you gain access to their exceptional customer support team. Whether you need assistance with product selection or technical guidance, their experts are readily available to help you navigate any challenges along the way. Click here to get Spocket today. Building a successful business from scratch with Spocket. 1. Identify your niche. Research and identify a profitable niche that aligns with your passions and target audience. Spocket's extensive product catalog ensures that you'll find products that cater to your chosen niche. 2. Set up your store. Create an online store using popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Seamlessly integrate Spocket with your store to import products and automate order fulfillment. 3. Curate your product selection. Leverage Spocket's vast product catalog to curate a selection of high-quality and trending items that resonate with your target market. Focus on quality, uniqueness, and value for your customers. 4. Optimize your pricing. Determine competitive yet profitable pricing for your products. Consider factors such as product cost, market demand, and your target audience's purchasing power. Spocket's wholesale pricing enables you to achieve attractive profit margins. 5. Provide stellar customer service. Deliver exceptional customer service to establish trust and loyalty. Spocket pricing. 1. Free plan. 1. Price, $0 per month. 2. Features. Browse Spocket's product inventory. Dropship with AliExpress through the Ali Scraper app. 1. Starter plan. 1. Price, $24.99 per month. 2. Features. Up to 25 unique products from Spocket's catalog. 1. Pro plan. 1. Price, $49.99 per month. 2. Features. Up to 250 unique products, up to 25 premium products, branded invoicing. 1. Empire plan. 1. Price, $99.99 per month. 2. Features. Unlimited unique products, unlimited premium products. 1. Unicorn plan. 1. Price, $948 per year. Not available monthly. 2. Features. Supplier sourcing, product requests, bulk checkout. Please note that these pricing plans are subject to change, and it's always recommended to visit the official Spocket website for the most up-to-date and accurate pricing information. Final words. In a world of limitless possibilities, Spocket emerges as the ultimate solution for aspiring entrepreneurs and established businesses alike. With its seamless integration, extensive product catalog, reliable suppliers, and efficient order fulfillment, Spocket empowers businesses to thrive in the competitive e-commerce landscape. Whether you're looking to start from scratch or take your existing business to new heights, Spocket offers the tools and resources to turn your dreams into reality. Experience the power of global reach, faster shipping times, and increased profitability with Spocket by your side. Don't just imagine success, make it happen with Spocket.